is how we do this. This is how we do this. Okay, we're going to take, and I'm going to put 2 of these. I lost my, oh, here it is. I'm going to put 2 of these into the refrigerator, right? For tomorrow's, I've already have done 2. And so I'm going to have 2 cutlets for tomorrow's recipe, which if you stay tuned, you're going to see what tomorrow's recipe is. Okay, so here we go. Into the egg, into the egg, into the egg we go, right? Into the egg we go, and then into our breadcrumbs. And I'm using panko. I'm using panko today because I'm going to make a recipe with panko in it. And we just get this panko on here. Look how nice that is. Get him right on there, just like that, just like that. And these are going to go into the Frigidaire right there. And then we'll get the other one. Just enough crumbs to do the job. Okay, so there we have it. This is Peter Carpizos wishing you all a happy life. You got to cook, eat, and enjoy. That's part of life. And what we're doing is helping you to get along with that. So if you have any questions, send them in the comments, and I will answer you as quickly as possible. So this is Peter Carpizos with dirty hands, because I get into it, and we love you all. Subscribe if you haven't, and if you haven't subscribed, this is Peter Carpizos, as always, out.